Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the Audio Technica record player to Alexa in 2026. So if you want to play your Audio Technica record player through Amazon Echo, you can do it using either Bluetooth or aux connection. So first of all, you need to turn on the Audio Technica turntable. If your model supports Bluetooth, you need to put it into the pairing mode, and then you need to say Alexa pair Bluetooth to your Echo device. After that, simply select the turntable when it appears and it will connect. Now your records will play through Alexa speaker wirelessly. Now, if your turntable doesn't support Bluetooth, you can also use the aux cable. So you need to connect the RCA output from the turntable to a 3.5 mm aux input on your Echo device. Just make sure that the turntable is set to line mode, and this is going to give you a stable wired connection. Now you need to play a record and increase the volume on your Echo device. Just make sure that the Echo is set to correct input source. If you are using aux, you should now hear the audio clearly. After that, you can also adjust the volume and keep your device within the range for better sound quality. And this way you will be able to connect your Audio Technica record player to Alexa very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.